Hi friends, this video shows how to find Wi-Fi IP address. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. First we need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here I already connected to a Wi-Fi network named My Wi-Fi. You can see the status connected. Set it. And here you can see the IP address section. 192.168.219.155. that is the IP address. That is the IP address assigned by the Wi-Fi network. This is the Wi-Fi IP address, and below that you can find MAC address. Here you can see the signal strength. Okay, so you can try this. So this way we can find Wi-Fi IP address. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.